Greetings everyone. Today I'm making cinnamon infused gin. Quick and easy. Let's start. We need 1 liter London dry gin, cinnamon sticks, an empty bottle. Let's put the cinnamon sticks into the bottle. And then pour the gin. Seal the bottle. Put a label and write down the dates. Same way, we do it at the pineapple infused gin. We're gonna need 5 to 7 days until the infuse is done. That's it for today. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Wish you all the best. And remember, drink responsible. Don't drink and drive.